Hey guys, welcome back to Modest Tech. Thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry I was away for a longer time because of some personal things, but now I'm back. And back while discussing SAP TechEd announcements. SAP recently wrapped up this event for 2024, and the announcements were amazing. Amazing in the sense that we saw how Joule has been made capable of doing so many things. Even you can add your own capabilities to the Joule via the Joule Studio. A BAP Cloud coming to SAP Build, making it kind of inclusive for all the developers, all kind of developers, I would say. And you know why I'm saying this. Even the announcements on SAP HANA Cloud, DataSphere, all these made sense, but not at the time when it was live telecasted. Because at that time it was so much of information flow that I personally felt that I'm drinking water from the fire hose. So, what I have done here in this particular series, I have broken it down, simplified it for you, so that we all understand what are the major takeaways from SAP TechEd 2024. Grab a coffee, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. This is SAP BTP announcements from SAP TechEd 2024. Let's rewind. Let's discuss the statistics which was shared during the keynote before even going to the SAP BTP announcements. So today, as of now, there are 27,000 customers who are using Business Technology Platform. These are live customers and they are using it on day-to-day basis. And there are about 2,800 partners who are kind of enablers who help these customers innovate in the cloud. They are trying to make the business processes as efficient as they can using the tools and technologies and the services available on SAP BTP. In terms of the availability of the platform for businesses or even for us as developers or the administrators, 99.99% was the uptime that was shared during the keynote. So SAP BTP adoption rate was also shared, and year-on-year growth, this is about 60%, which means that customers are trying to adopt SAP Business Technology Platform to innovate with ease. The first major takeaway from platform-specific announcements is that BTP is expanding its coverage, which means there will be new regions available for you to choose when you create your accounts and sub-accounts. And these regions will be on hyperscalers as well as on SAP managed data centers. 12 new data centers by AWS, Azure, and GCP, and 8 new managed data centers by SAP, which is a bit surprising because till Neo, SAP was managing data centers, at least for customers, but after that, they were not managing it for the multi-cloud environments. Again, at least for the customers. But now SAP will be managing 8 new data centers. And here is a graphic that was shown during SAP TechEd that these are the regions that are coming up. Have a look. The second major key takeaway was SAP's Business Accelerator Hub. Business Accelerator Hub is the single entry point to discover and consume any content related to SAP BTP and the services. Currently, there are about 25,000 assets that includes contents from integration suite, for example, iFlows or adapters, or from SAP Build. Even SAP is continuing to add contents related to SAP Analytics Cloud, Integration Suite, and even the newer contents like SAP Lean IX as well as Signavio. So this will be the one-stop shop to discover any content and consume it straight away from Business Accelerator Hub. What it means is all the APIs which were available here now will contain more APIs corresponding to different types of products like Lean IX or Signavio. All these will be available on Business Accelerator Hub. One new thing that has been added to Business Accelerator Hub is validated partner use cases. So, partners who know that these use cases have worked for a particular customer, that has been validated by SAP and has been added to Business Accelerator Hub as well. When we talk about SAP BTP, Discovery Center will always come. There are few changes in the Discovery Center just to make your life easy. The first one being that you will now get a quick account setup button in the missions which you see on the Discovery Center. What will it do? It will ask you whether you want to complete this mission on a trial account or an enterprise account, and just on the button click, that will actually set up your account, which means services activated, entitlements added. You just need to focus on the mission. Staying with Discovery Center, the AI feature catalog has been added, which means you can browse through all the AI features which are available on SAP BTP or even throughout the SAP Cloud landscape. The best part is you will also get to know how much credits or how much AI credits you want to consume these AI features. So that is also now added and is part of SAP's Discovery Center. So staying with, again, Discovery Center, because we are talking about BTP, a new reference architecture has been added, which is for high availability, keeping customers in mind who have lost money or who lose money when the platform is not available or the service has degradation. Then your business critical applications do not work and you lose money. For that, SAP has now added a reference architecture in Discovery Center, and what it says is maintain 2 sub-accounts, use 1 sub-account. When it fails, it automatically switches to the other sub-account, which is in a different region and on a different hyperscaler, and that will ensure your business continues and you do not lose money. Here is the architecture diagram that is available on the Discovery Center. So here you can see there are 2 sub-accounts on different hyperscalers in different regions, but also there are external schedulers and load balancers. In terms of load balancers, you can use Microsoft Azure or AWS services, and that will have a link to both of your sub-accounts. Lastly, guidance framework was mentioned during TechEd. Guidance framework is not new, but maybe the contents have been added, which will be new. Even the contents evolve over time. So just to make sure that you're using the right content, the right guidance framework, the best practices, it's advisable to refer to the guidance framework because that is your compass for SAP Business Technology Platform. So let's summarize the general announcements on SAP Business Technology Platform this TechEd. So first and foremost, SAP's BTP coverage is expanding because of new regions, hyperscalers, as well as SAP managed data centers. We also saw the Discover and Consume entry point, which is the SAP Business Accelerator Hub, where you can go and look for contents related to SAP Build, SAP LeanIX, Signavio, even SAP Analytics Cloud and Integration Suite. And the third one, get guidance. Getting guidance from Discovery Center and also from the guidance framework. So these are the key takeaways as far as the general announcements on SAP BTP is concerned. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, do share it within your network and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes because we'll be going through all the pillars and the key takeaways of these pillars, and we'll tell you in a much simplified way. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.